it's me, K10. And do you ever find it helpful to use a fidget toy to concentrate? I really do. I love fidget toys. They help me when I'm feeling really excited or really nervous. And I can't wait to show you how to make 3 of my favorites. So come on, let's go. So let's start on our first fidget toy, which is called a fidget stick. So to make a fidget stick, we need a craft stick, and we're going to use some washi tape. We're going to use some pony beads. Those are so pretty. And we're going to need one of these, a pipe cleaner. Maybe I'll pick one of these. We're going to take the washi tape and cover the whole stick in washi tape so it feels nice and comfortable to hold in your hand. So just wind it around. Make sure you start at the top. Wind, wind, wind all around. What we're going to do now is we're going to tape this cleaner onto it. So just line it up, circle around, and around, and around, and around. Perfect. What we're going to do is it's going to go over the top, and you're just going to do one little wind like this. Now we're ready for our pony beads. So what we want to do is we want to do a line of pony beads down this pipe cleaner. Now that we have this all lined up, we're just going to tape this around. We're going to wind up the back of this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use our washi tape. So we're going to take the washi tape, go around at the top. And then this is the tricky part. Pull a piece of washi tape and thread it through. We're going to go like this. In and around and through. Nice. We have our first fidget toy. This is called a fidget stick. So if you're feeling nervous or excited or need to concentrate, you can just grab this stick and you can move these beads up and down just like that. So the next fidget toy that we're going to make is a stress ball. I love to squish stress balls when I'm feeling really nervous. So to do this, we're going to need cling wrap. What we're going to do is we're going to take some beans. These are dried beans. And we're going to put them in this saran wrap. Just a big pile. And you're going to fold it up. And we're just going to make a little container of these beans. Now we're just going to fold it like so. So you get this nice little container of beans. And we're going to use 2 of these. Do you know what these are? Balloons! But we're not going to use them like balloons. We're going to use them to make our stress ball. So we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut the top off of these balloons. What we're going to do now is we're going to open up this balloon. We're going to stretch it over these beans, just like that. But we still have a little bit of beans that you can see through here. So we're going to use another balloon to cover that part up. And before you know it, you've made a stress ball. How cool is that? Whew, I feel calmer already. So for this next fidget toy, we're going to use some plastic cord like this. And we're going to use a bunch of these pony beads. And we're going to make a fidget toy that'll feel really good when you hold it in your hand and move back and forth with it. So we're going to start off with one red pony bead to start everything off. Ooh, this one is a great one. Just thread it down the middle. Like that. We're going to put 4 blue beads on right after this red one that we put on. The red one is our cherry on top. You're going to take the other end and you're going to weave this through in the other direction that the cord is going. In. And we're going to pull it through. When you pull it, you're gonna see the beginning of a nice blue ice cream cone. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do 6 blue. 6 blue. And then remember what we're gonna do. We're going to take this cord, we're gonna thread it through the opposite way until you get it through all 6. Now we got all the 6 on, we're gonna go pull, 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 pull. Let's add 6 more blue beads on here. And 6. And then we're gonna make this cord go through this way. Now we're gonna pull. Pull, 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 pull. Look at that. We now have the whole top of the ice cream. So now we wanna make the cone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of these cone colored ones. We can do 5 of them. Thread this through and time to pull, 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 pull. There we go. And we have the next layer, which is our ice cream cone going down. The next thing we need is 4 of these cone colored beads. So we need 3 cone colored beads. I only need 2 and then 1 more. 1 last cone colored bead. And I have one right here. We're gonna put that through. We're also gonna put that through on the other side. How we do our crisscross. And then we just pull, 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 pull. And look at that. We have a little ice cream cone. So we're gonna double knot this at the bottom here. I even did 3 knots right there. And then we're gonna take our scissors. We're just gonna snip it. And check this out. We have a little ice cream pony bead fidget toy. All of these are gonna keep you so calm and so concentrated, and they're so fun to make. So thank you for having another Crafternoon with me, K10.